Monday. Welcome back to Susan's Nursery. I am Susan, and today me and Mr. River are here for Cheeky Monkey Monday. And Cheeky Monkey Monday is brought to us by our cherished cherums. And I'll have their link in the title in case you want to go check their channel out. So we'll get right to the video. And Mr. River is wearing a white onesie that has light brown, light blue, and green, lime green stripes on it, and it has a monkey in the middle of the chest. And then he has Mr. George, and there's where the cheeky thing comes from. Do you see George sticking out his tongue, being a cheeky monkey today on this beautiful Monday? He's being oh so cheeky. So that's our Cheeky Monkey Monday video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for all your support of my channel, your subscribing, your commenting, your likes, watching my videos all the way to the end. Thank you very much, guys. You're so very much appreciated. I don't say it as enough, but you are. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you later. Bye.